Hello, my champions. In this video, we're going to learn about 3D solids and their nets. What do I mean by net? If you see here, this looks like a flat surface, isn't it? The rest of the things looks like a solids. Nothing, what I've done here is I have cut open a cube, and that is why this is looking like a flat surface. We know that cube is made up of 6 squares, joined together, right? And that is why when I'm cutting it open, I'm seeing 6 squares here. When I cut open a cube, it's called as a net. Similarly, I can cut open a tetrahedron. Tetrahedron, first of all, what's a tetrahedron? Let me show you. There are 4 faces, 4 triangular faces. 3 faces you can see here. I'm just going to move here. The fourth face. That means if you see from the top, 3 triangular faces are there. 3 triangular faces. And the bottom also, there's another triangular face. So that is why this is called as a four triangle faces is called as a tetrahedron. Now, if you unfold it, what you're going to get? You're supposed to get 4 triangles. And that is what we see here. Okay. This is how when 3D solids, when we cut open, we get the nets. Now, there's an important difference between a pyramid and a prism. Okay. This is called as a pyramid, whereas this is called as a prism. Okay. Now, if you turn this looks like a hexagon, isn't it? The bottom. And this also looks like an hexagon. When we look at both these pictures, we'll be like, okay, what is the difference? Both are hexagons. So which one is a pyramid? Which one is a prism? We won't know. The only difference between a pyramid and prism is in a pyramid, only the bottom will have a triangle or a square or a circle or a pentagon or a hexagon. This will have only the bottom that shape will be there. Then from each of the edges, right? From each of the edges, you will have one triangular face coming up. If you see here, if I turn this, if you see a triangular face is coming from that. And all of those triangles are going and meeting at a point on the top. That is what is the difference in a pyramid and a prism. Now, in a prism, each of these edges is going and becoming a rectangular face. Look at this. Are you seeing a rectangle here coming out of this edge? Yes, we're seeing a rectangle here. But from this edge, a triangular face is coming out. That's the difference between a prism and a pyramid. So, pyramids can be of multiple types. Like you can have a hexagon-based pyramid or a pentagon-based pyramid or a square-based pyramid or a circle-based pyramid. Circle-based pyramid is called it's called as a cone, basically. Then you can also have heptagon, decagon, whatever shape. And all of these sides, they take out a triangular face and then go and all of these faces go and join one tip called the apex. This is how the pyramid will look from the top. But then when we move the pyramid, you will get faces like this. So bottom, whatever the shape is hexagon, the same shape will come on the top also. And sides you will have all rectangular faces you will have. So that is a prism. And now this bottom face, as of now, it's a hexagon here. You can have a pentagon, you can have a square. Any of these shapes you can get. Now let us unfold this and see. When we unfold this, what happens? There are 2 hexagons here. There are 2 hexagons as well as 6 rectangles. Because there's 6 sides, 6 rectangles are bound to come. Now when I open this, what happens is there is only 1 hexagon, and because 6 sides are there in a hexagon, so 6 triangular faces are coming. Are you able to see the difference between a pyramid and a prism? This is very important to understand. Once you know this, you've already learned how to find the formulas of surface area of a cube, cuboid, volume, a cube, cuboid. You can take those same principles and you can come up with the area, volume of these things, because however, all these shapes also, all these solids also are made up of the same basic shapes, like the hexagon or a triangle or a rectangle, a square. These are the things, same things. And you know the formulas for all of those things. Use that knowledge, use that tactics, the principles, and go ahead and find the formula or whatever you require to do. But important is to understand how it looks, what it is why it is called a pyramid, why it is called a prism. These are things which is important. I hope you've understood those things in this video. Go ahead and play with some, 3D solids and enjoy learning mathematics. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.